Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, a few days back I took you to my terrace to show you what all have been growing there. Today I am here on the ground floor showing you the corner space I am utilizing to grow some plants. First of all, just have a quick look of it from one end. And now I'll show you everything I have grown here. This is the gate from where we enter in my rectangular garden, and just after entering there is a small space available on the left side where I have grown one plant of corn. This is growing marvelously every day, and all these are small plants of brinjal. I have grown these with the seeds from home itself, and the way they are growing, I am very hopeful they'll give a good crop. In any case, I'll keep you updated. And here, just opposite the gate, is a plant of lemon. And this is one plant of Italian basil gifted by a friend. Adjacent to this are a few plants of turmeric, haldi as we call in Hindi. Next to turmeric are a few plants of Greek basil. Basil is used in various Italian dishes. On the opposite side of the Greek basil plants, I have these two plants of holy basil, tulsi as we call in Hindi. Both Rama and Krishna tulsi are here. Their splendid growth indicates that they are happy here. And now look at this small plant of peanut, and friends, this is a small tree of pomegranate, and this is a small plant of peanut again, mungfali as we call in Hindi. Here again you will find a few more corn plants. Look at this corn plant, it has grown taller than me. You can see two corns growing. One is this, and another one here, looking very thin yet, but will grow big soon. I'll definitely show you when I harvest these. And here on the opposite side of corns, this whole patch is devoted to mint. Very much green and with a peculiar minty smell. And a few more peanut plants here, and a few more corn plants. In between, one guava tree is also here. You will also find here some ginger plants, a few plants of ladyfinger, a lemon tree, a brinjal plant, and a few bottle gourds, almost ready to be harvested, and some in the making. Friends, I have only one plant of bottle gourd, ghiya as we call in Hindi. I hope you can see this stem, and this has gone up to the first floor. And here is the stem of sponge gourd, tori as we call in Hindi, and this also has gone up to the first floor of my home. Let me show you this from my first floor. Now you are looking at my garden from the first floor, and see these creepers coming up from the ground floor. How amazing it is! And you can see these sponge gourds and bottle gourds growing cheerfully here. I hope you like this tour of my garden. Friends, if you have liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. and please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. So friends, bye for now. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.